brother. Yeah, brother. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Hey, sheepa, brother.
GM, welcome back to the channel. In this one, we have a quick market update for you. We're going to start off with BTC and look at some of these stronger coins. And of course, the leading narrative still is the AI/meme coin meta, but it's more than meme coins if you do any research. Anyways, we'll jump straight on in here. So Bitcoin is at 94,000 and some change here after a nice dip down to around 91.5. There was screaming on the timeline, quite a lot of it. So we went to 99 bucks or 99k bucks, down to 91, 8.4% drawdown. So this is pretty small in terms of historically what Bitcoin is capable of doing. And to be honest with you, this box down here is not off the cards, but if Bitcoin is able to, as it is now, bounce and then maybe hold in this kind of region here, maybe 90s, low 90s, I think we're going to see some big moves for the altcoins, because if we just check out Bitcoin dominance here, it looks like it's starting to fall quite nicely. Here it is on the weekly time frame, some big wicks up to 61.5%, now coming back down, coming back into a region I previously thought we were going to kind of top out at. Now in terms of strong coins, can't hold a Fantom down here. Weekly time frame on Fantom here looks insane, 107 today. So even with Bitcoin dumping, this thing just kept on pumping. We have the Sonic upgrade coming in the month of December. So that, of course, providing a good catalyst for Fantom. Over to CoinGlass, we can see here liquidation data, people getting absolutely wrecked. This is the group you do not want to be involved with. You don't want to be getting liquidated and taken out of the markets at the early signs of a major bull run. I mean, the kind of final bull run, the big moves where most of the gains occur. 24-hour wrecked, $573 million. So a lot of people getting absolutely carried out here. K2 Analytics, rotation back to utility, they say. These are the one-day leading narratives in terms of their gain in terms of mind share. So AI and memes have still been leading with DeFi in third, but in terms of a daily increase, ETFs, DeFi, DePIN, Layer 2, and rollups. But honestly, we know where we need to be looking. It is, of course, the AI meta. So this was Terry posting earlier, when the burgers wake up, your entry is Zerebro, and it has Zerebro already. So down to around 33 cents, a 330 mil market cap for Zerebro, and now it has pumped significantly, 448 mil market cap, so 45 cents here being posted for Zeri. What you're seeing with this protocol is you've got an S tier dev, S tier kind of meme and LLM, and they just continue to ship and ship and ship. So this thing I think is going to reach crazy heights and probably get loads and loads of headlines with what Jeff's building over there. It's pretty freaking insane, to be honest with you. So you're like a $500 million market cap for this. Obviously, these things have been around for less than a month. There is execution risk with these, but compared to some of the static memes, man, this shit is just so much more exciting. I think can attract so much more capital than what we've seen with certain things going to multiples of billions. They're just basic static imagery. Yes, of course, they have communities behind them, but I think this is the kind of end game of what the market may want here in this market cycle. So I'm totally fucking sold and bullish on these. Then we have GOAT, so Andy Aries, Truth Terminal, with a 50% retrace, so 50% off the highs. We've got pre-Binance, Coinbase, the likes of your Robinhoods and other apps. They haven't listed it as of yet. It is on crypto.com, which is pretty interesting. But other than that, not a lot for GOAT so far. Trading at 76 cents or a 760 mil market cap, came into a nice area. We were expecting it to bounce. You can see some deep wicks into there and it's starting to turn. So hopefully GOAT can really run from here as the leader of this whole narrative and the kind of provenance piece for AI LLMs on chain. So super interesting stuff. Next headline here. If you do go to Jupiter Exchange today and you type in whatever asset, in the pre-populated ones now include Fartcoin. So it must be either that this is searched so much that this comes up now as, you know, just click it, or the team at Jupiter have purposely put it front and center for people to buy. So should be a reasoning behind that. But the last time you saw this was early doors with WIF. When WIF was really trending, Jup put this in as like a quick shortcut. Just click it. You're finding the correct contract address, the correct token, and now they're doing this with Fartcoin. Seems very interesting to me. Again, you want to be buying stuff that springs off as soon as there's any more life in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dips, obviously everything dips with it, but then what reverses quickest? Fartcoin went from 280 mil market cap, maybe just a little bit less, now back up to 338 mil. So you're looking at a move from 27 cents up to 34 cents pretty much. Post from Bleeker here, look at this, 2 images. And he says, more importantly, holders with wallets over $10, so $10 of holdings are up only on a week where prices are down considerably for coins, but specifically bad for memes, and WIF has had a Robinhood listing. So this is holders over $10. You can see over the last day, Fartcoin up 140, WIF's down. And then overall holders, 26,000 Fartcoin holders in the last day, increasing by 350. WIF has 200,000 holders in the last day, up 883. But WIF has just been listed on the likes of Coinbase and then yesterday Robinhood. So these numbers here for Fartcoin are rather impressive. Hat stays on, billions must fart. So last bit of alpha, key takeaway from today. From ALO, not all your holdings will be pumping at the same time in a bull market. Being impatient and rotating to the flavor of the week will simply get you wrecked. I'm pretty sure we've all felt this. When you see certain bags flying up and then you're like, damn, I've missed the train on that one. Okay, my coin's down. Should I rotate into that one? Oftentimes you end up selling at either a loss or you've round tripped on the bag you were in and then you've bought something that's already pumped. And then you're going to probably see the retrace in the thing you just bought that pumped, and then your bag's going to go up. So as he says, do less intra-week trading and more sitting and waiting for longer-term moves to play out, i.e. have a thesis and watch it play out, and you will find out if you are right or wrong in your decisions. So we'll leave things off there. You want to see some nice bounces in your deck screener, in your watch lists. Hope that is happening for you guys right now as well. Subscribe if you're new. Peace.